Hello there everybody, Sam'sTrains here. Welcome back to the railway and welcome back to an incredibly special video for me. So on the 1st of April 2021, and can I just say what an incredible date that is. I mean, it's like Sam'sTrains Day, isn't it? I don't know, I feel like this might have been done on purpose because I had a few extra subs coming on that day. I don't believe it was a coincidence, but whatever. Anyway, 1st of April 2021, this channel hit 100,000 subscribers. Absolutely unbelievable. Thank you all so much. I never ever thought I would even get a tenth of that when I started out, but it is all of my dreams come true, and it is entirely thanks to you. So truly thank you all so much for that. Now we're talking like over a month since that happened, and it turns out there's quite a process to 100,000 subscribers, and I didn't want to make a video about it until I had a special something, which I'm going to show you in just a second. So it has taken a while. It's taken a while for them to produce the special something that I'm going to be showing you, and it also takes them a while to verify the channel and such to make sure that you haven't purchased your subscribers. And yes, I am aware there are some people, some liars, who have tried to claim that that is what I would do. Don't get me wrong, they don't do it here on the channel where I can see them. They do it on sort of private Facebook groups where they think I can't see them. But because you amazing people are real and I didn't purchase you somehow, you all send me screenshots. Every time somebody says this sort of thing, I get loads of screenshots and I do save them. But I have to ask why? Why would anybody be so sad as to make up something like that? They've got to be either jealous or a bit insane, haven't they? They'd rather believe that a Wally like me that plays trains on the floor and doesn't know everything about the prototypes cheated rather than got there honestly. Well, sorry, that's just not the way I work. But people want to tell lies, that's absolutely fine. Please you folks, keep sending me the screenshots, because I've decided from now on, if I see them, I'm going to start naming and shaming publicly. This is going to be interesting. It'll be very embarrassing, don't get me wrong, but it might be the only way to teach them that you folks are indeed real, and they're going to find that out the hard way, aren't they? So yeah, anyway, I don't want to talk about the intellectually challenged today. It's important I mention it though, because it's not right. People shouldn't be lying like that. And it's only right that I give a warning for this before I post their names, and in some cases their horrible pictures, publicly on the internet. I kind of want to do that. Anyway, yeah, we're not talking about that though today. It needed to be said, but it is not the subject of the video, because my YouTube channel has been verified by Google now, which is an amazing feeling. Never expected to have that happen. And arrived in the post came this. I wonder what this could be, but I think this could be one of the most important unboxings I've ever done. So, I mean, I'm sort of doing this on behalf of everybody, really. This isn't really mine, this is yours and mine. It's all of ours. But on behalf of us all, I suppose, I will unbox it today, and hopefully it's what I think it is. All right, thank you so much for this. Let's do it. Okay, so I started to sort of pre-cut some of the tape and stuff downstairs, but I thought, no, this is wrong. This is very wrong. It's got to be Rusty, hasn't it? Rusty has got to be the one to open this. So I've left the final piece of tape for Rusty on the back here. So let's do this and figure out what is inside. This is crazy. So this, I believe, at least in this country, is an industry first for model railways. I know it sounds like I'm bragging. I won't brag about this, I promise, outside of this video, honestly. Right, are you ready then? There's a piece of foam in here. I love the packaging. Should I review this? Maybe I should. Okay, here we go. Let's take a look. Right, there is a letter. What is this? Congratulations on your subscriber milestone, it says. We are honoured to take part in recognising your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. Well, thank you for that, Rick. And let's take a look at this first of all before we look at the main attraction. Do you remember your first subscriber, your 100th or your 1000th? Chances are you do. I don't remember exactly who they were, but I do remember it happening, that's for sure. And we know that you'll definitely remember your 100,000th subscriber. Your fans may have found you while searching YouTube, learned about you through a friend, or maybe showed up as a recommended video. No matter how they came to your channel, fans stayed. They're not fans, come on, they're friends, really. Stayed, and their numbers increased because of your unique voice and the excitement of being part of the growing community that you established. We are thrilled to see the development of your community and are proud to honour your impressive milestone of reaching 100,000 subscribers with the Silver Creator Award. Congratulations! We know that you have many more stories to share with your community, and we know that your fans can't wait for you to engage and amaze them even more with your commitment and creativity. I don't think I've amazed anybody, let's be honest. So keep creating, keep building. We can't wait to see what you'll do next, and we're here to support you along the way. And who knows, when you reach your millionth subscriber, we may just write to you and ask, do you remember your 100,000th subscriber? Sincerely, Susan Wojcicki, CEO, YouTube. Wow, 1 million subscribers. Yeah, unless I live to be like 300 or something, that's probably not going to happen. But yeah, never say never. Anyway, wow, I can't actually see this. Look at that. Sam'sTrains for passing 100,000 subscribers. Gosh, wow. This is actually quite nice. Let's pull this out. Whoa, this is actually really nice. Look at this. Wow. Thank you so much, everybody. I mean, this just means so much. Look how nicely made this is. It's got like a proper mirror to it. I think it's actually metal as well. Wow, that's very fitting, isn't it? All the times I go on about things not being made of metal. Well, I think this actually is. That is awesome. Wow, this is definitely going up on the wall. Ah, it's kind of emotional. Shall we put it on the wall together? Yeah, I think you've got to be there for that, haven't you? Go on then, let's go do it. Okay, I've measured up for this. I'm thinking of putting it on this wall right here, because that's going to be in shot for most videos. Yeah, you can tell I'm a little bit proud of this thing. Okay, let's thwack some of these nails in. I thought about deliberately making it wonky so as to sort of match the theme of the channel, but I decided for once I will actually do something quite properly. That being said, there's still a good chance it will come out wonky, so we'll just have to wait and see. Okay, this is where I find out it doesn't actually fit on the wall at all. Oh yes, that is amazing. Wow. Maybe the O-gauge locos won't be able to run past that though. I didn't think about that. There we go, 100,000 subscribers, but no more O-gauge. Many a true word spoken in jest. No, it is literally going to have to go higher up. Oh, there you go, you've got a classic Sam'sTrains bodge straight away. Yeah, it's thicker than I thought, I guess. Take two. You know what though, this isn't such a bad thing. I would happily keep hanging this thing all day. I might put it in like 100 different positions. I really don't mind. Okay, let's see. It's going to be a bit high now, but it'll fit, I should think. There you go. It's up. So I guess what I need to figure out now is what I'm doing for my 100,000 subscriber special. You're supposed to do something to mark the occasion, and I think that's a good idea. But I want you folks to choose what I do. So two things you need to do. First of all, if you've got an idea, and the idea can be anything, it can be something embarrassing or nasty that I've got to do. It could be a challenge. It could be something you'd really like to see me review, and comment it down below. Okay, once you've done that, then check through the comment section, look for your favourite suggestions and click like. Click like on as many as you like, and I'll give you like 2 or 3 days to do that. Then I'll come back and check, and the ideas that have the most likes I will put into a poll. They'll have to be the feasible ones. If one of them is like, I don't know, dress as an elephant and go to Hornby HQ and try and convince them to feed you apples, it's probably not going to happen. But the actual feasible, realistic ones, I will put into a poll. You can vote which one you'd like to see the most, and then if I can, I'll do it. There you have it then, folks. That's ours right there. Man, that represents quite a journey, doesn't it? All those times I've had to read that what I do over here isn't proper and isn't right. Well, I don't know. I think that right there is proper enough for me. What do you reckon? Well, folks, thank you so much for sticking with me. I hope the channel continues to meet your needs moving forwards. Please do keep in touch. Please do keep commenting. I love getting in touch with you week in, week out to see how you're doing and how you like the videos and what you guys are up to. So please do keep in touch. I'll do my best to answer as many comments as I can. I can't do them all anymore, but I do keep reading them. I keep enjoying your company. So thank you so much for all of that. Thank you, more importantly, for this. I will treasure this forever. And I'll see you on the next one, folks. Thank you so much for the support. I'll see you soon.